All right, let's take a look at this Day 2 machine. Its parameter demonstration, parameter effect demonstration, and the printing content. As for the printing content, that means after we import the compiled information from the software, from the computer, from the microparticle machine editing software into our machine, we can then interact here and select the information we've prepared. The information we've compiled can be selected. This is how you select the printing content. In the Tools section under the Print head, we can use print delay, as well as print speed, and print delay. The print delay ranges from 0 to 10,000 milliseconds. The print speed ranges from 50 to 300, 50 to 300. There's also print grayscale. Print grayscale. The minimum is 50% and the maximum is 100%. By default, it's set to 75%. Next, we have the print head pressure. The print head pressure ranges from 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. There are 5 levels. When the printout isn't clear, the first thing we check is the speed. Oh, is the speed correct? Then the print grayscale. Oh, is it set too low? And also the print head pressure, right? Mouse click sound. We can increase it a bit, clearing throat sound. This is another parameter that needs to be adjusted. Of course, there's also the printing mode. In the printing mode, the dwell time is also very important. As for the print head temperature, since the T2 mechanism relies on the print head's temperature to heat the ribbon, that's how we achieve the desired effect on our product. We don't need to adjust the print head temperature. It's automatic. The print head temperature is automatically regulated, so we don't need to set it ourselves. Alright, these are the parameter settings in the control interface. There's also the print content and the delay. Okay,